Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the always on display clock style on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So all you have to do is simply access the settings on your Redmi Note 14. And then within the settings, simply scroll down and select personalization. Tap on that and then select always on display. Now at this point, find the always on display theme that you're currently using. So for me, the theme I'm using is this one. So tap on it. And then within the theme settings, you should see an option clock face, or depending on the theme that you're using, it may be clock style. So scroll through the clock style or the clock faces that you'd like to use. So you can select the one that you prefer. So let's say this one. And then once you're done selecting the clock style you'd like, all you have to do is simply tap on apply, and then the changes will be applied. So whenever you lock your screen and access the always on display, you'll notice that the clock style has changed. So that's basically it on how to change the always on display clock style on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.